What's up, Bazzle Babes? It's your girl Joy back with another banger. Well, I am getting a late start today. I hope you guys are all doing well, having a great day, because it's actually totally up to you how your day goes and who you allow to take control over your thoughts, your feelings, and your minds. Sometimes I succumb to that, but that's okay. But I never stay long. But anyway, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Hook your girl up with some thumbs. So I am on my way to school. I'm actually on break for a whole week. Is that at this school district? It's like every 6 weeks or so, something like that. We get a week off. But then next month is November, so we'll have Thanksgiving break, and then December we have 2 weeks off in December, and then January. I'm not sure if we get a break off in January. I'm not sure, but I believe there's another week off in February. So, and it sounds like a lot, but I'm telling you, sometimes the teachers just need that moment just to woosah. But I will say the kids have been pretty amazing at school. I don't really have any complaints. They could be a little chatty when they shouldn't be chatty. I'm like, if you're not making all A's, there's no need for you to be chatty. You need to be focused on what's going on. And but outside of that, they're all amazing kids. I don't really have any complaints about the kids. I mean, they've been awesome. Besides the little chatty. Yes, they are. And who knows, that could be classroom management, but sometimes I get so engrossed in what's going on that I'm in the mix too. And I remember my old principal, she came in at another school, and I felt bad because she was observing my class. I was like, I'm sorry if we were so loud. She was like, no, it was chaos, but it was a good chaos. Everyone was engaged. Everyone was into the learning and, you know, wanting to participate. She said, so it was a different chaos. She said it was great. You had every kid in there engaged and involved. She was like, so it was amazing to see. So good chaos is good. And I would say, sometimes they off topic here, but overall it's good and they get involved in the lesson. But we've been doing a lot of testing this week, and the kids like, we got another test. I was like, hold up. No, bro, this is not another test. I gave you guys a retest to make up for the poor test y'all took. So I'm trying to hook you up and gave you a retest, which then overlapped our scheduled test. So no. It's not another test. Y'all did this to yourselves. Read the story, answer the questions. It's simple. You got to think about it, though. You got to dig deeper. Dig deeper. Because kids, we're trying to teach them how to think and pull back the layers of that onion to see what's underneath and figure things out and make inferences and predictions and educated guesses based on the text evidence. So anyway, with that said, I'm off to a late start today. I'm thankful that they are opening the school today. The school is open. They opened at 8. It's 11:30 on my end. But I slept in a little bit. Then I worked out. You know, I did my little run, my little abs, my little routine. It's not much. I'll be going to the gym the rest of the week with Sydney. And then I made me some carrot juice. You know, I make juice. And I think my juicer is trying to burn out now. This juicer is probably 40 years old. This juicer. Because it belonged to my mom. So I understand, but I'm like, what am I supposed to do if my juicer just conks out on me? Oh my gosh. So I'm just like, no, you can't. So this morning I had a carrot, apple, ginger, jalapeno, and some celery. That was my juice this morning. And it was very good. It didn't have a lot of kick, so could have used 2 jalapenos. My breakfast, no carbs. I just had scrambled egg, some leftover chicken that I chopped up, and some green onions, cayenne pepper, and a little bit of adobo. And I'm straight because after I go to school, I need to get some grades in, and I need to repair 2 of my bikes. So I'm hoping that, dang, I left tools at home. So I'm hoping that the bike repairs don't drive me insane. Ooh, that last repair was rough. So I'm going to attempt that, and at least, well, I at least want to download some grades. Anyway, and I'm supposed to go to a training the next 2 days, and I don't know where to go. So I'm hoping that I can get some clarity on that, because they paid for me to have this additional training. Teachers go through training all the time. It's never, you know, you become a teacher and that's it, because things are always changing, kids are always changing, new things are being discovered, and you know, so it's always a learning experience. And I think as a teacher, you have to have certain states or districts, they require you to have certain amount of training, additional training hours a year. And so, yeah. So it's an ongoing process. And over this summer, I plan to get some additional certifications that'll help me with my future endeavors. So I'm looking forward to that. So I don't know. So that's what's on my agenda. I hope everything goes as planned, because I can't stay too long, because therefore Bobby has 2 basketball games. I'm going to miss 1 game. So I'm going to pick her up after her game, and then we're going to go back to Torchy's Tacos, because they have free tacos today. Y'all better eat up, kids. So free sounds good to me, and they're pretty good. And so we're going to go have some tacos, and then we're going to go back to school, because then she has a game at 8 o'clock at night. So it's a lot of driving around. So it's like my time off that I'm supposed to be using for me really does not feel like time off for me. But it's all good. You know, goes with the territory. It is what it is. So with that said, so I'm on the way to school, and let's see how that goes. Well, I just made it to school. I didn't see many cars here, so I ordered these. I ordered these attachments for the bikes. These kids, I will say, these kids tearing my stuff up, child. Tearing it up. Yeah, I don't even think I had this many problems when I was at the behavior school. So let's see. That was my coworker. She's like, sorry, I'm not there at the school. Okay, I can't get this open, child. Somebody asked me a while ago, they was like, why are you always smiling? I do smile a lot. So let's see, I'm hoping that this is rough getting these on, y'all. This is no joke. I even have to watch a video on how to get these on. I have to watch a video how to get the arm for the pedal. And then, you know, the pedal goes here and you... But these are... Woo! So, it's like I can't do it during a school day at all, because it takes too much time. And I kind of want to figure out how to get this done. So I'm going to watch a video. I have my little bag of tools. I have to use a hammer. I have to watch the video again to figure this hot mess out. This is a tool. Child, don't give me the line. Let me watch this video first to try to get these things off the bike. Okay, so that's a child. I got a left side and I got a right side. And I'm hoping that this will fit on the other bike. I've been down this road before and it wasn't easy, so I'm not going to videotape this. I don't think I uploaded me fixing a bike before. Not easy. Not easy. All right, let me get to these bikes.